Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Freshsales to Stripe for customer lifecycle automation, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Freshsales to Stripe for customer lifecycle automation, start by logging into your Freshsales account. Navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. In the settings menu, locate the integrations option and click on it. In the integrations page, find and select Stripe from the available applications. Click on the Connect button to start the integration process. You will be redirected to a Stripe login page if you are not already logged in. Enter your Stripe credentials and authorize Freshsales to access your Stripe account. Once the integration is complete, return to your Freshsales dashboard. Now, navigate to the Automation tab in your Freshsales account. Click on Workflows under the Automation section. Create a new workflow by clicking the New Workflow button. Select the trigger for your workflow, such as Deal Created or Customer Updated. In the Actions section, choose Create a Stripe Invoice or Update a Stripe Customer based on your needs. Fill in the required fields, such as customer email and amount for invoices. You can add additional conditions or actions to further customize your workflow. Once you have configured the workflow, give it a name and click Save. Test the workflow to ensure that the connection between Freshsales and Stripe is functioning correctly. Monitor your integration through the Freshsales dashboard for any errors or issues that may arise. By following these steps, you will successfully connect Freshsales to Stripe for effective customer lifecycle automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.